Hey, welcome back. My name is Jennifer. I'm going to talk to you about some accessibility features that Mac has. So on the top left, you see my on-screen keyboard, and then you also see my microphone. My microphone, I can use voice command. Also, if you're looking at my screen and you're wondering why my colors look a little bit funky, that's because that's a setting on the Mac that I can change the settings to help how my eyes can interpret and see things. So I'm going to show you what my Mac naturally looks like, and I'm going to show you what it looks like after you change the setting. So this is how my Mac naturally looks. And then when I can change the setting, I can also reduce motion, I can increase contrast or reduce transparency, right? I can also change my my cursor. So what I'm going to do is open Microsoft Word, open Microsoft Word. Okay, so now that Microsoft Word is open, I'm going to go ahead and create a new document. And now that we created a new document, I can also use my big keyboard here to type. So this is better for anyone that has maybe seeing issues, or with my voice recorder right here, it is naturally taking my speech and typing it for me. I'm going to just move this over so that way you guys can see it. Alright, so what I can do is I can use my on-screen keyboard to type as well. And also you see on the top how it has the word prediction. With the word prediction, it helps with finishing your sentences. So I can do a new sentence, and you see how it already has some. Right? And I was able to make the sentence to students who were able to identify their behavior in a different manner. And I was able to do that sentence just with the word prediction that the keyboard gives to me. And then I can also save this document and attach it as an email as well. So those are just some of the features of Mac that we can use to help any student or person with disabilities, or just to make life for anyone a little bit easier.